I will not bore you with an in-depth lecture about communication. Not now, at least. Well, and not even later, I swear it. In a workshop time, using my background in acting and extensive research into building effective relationships through communication, we'll walk in a one-off interactive path about personal communication consciousness, developing communication, building and managing the work and personal relationships. And we will start from these principles. Communication is relationship. So, your communication is you, as you are. I can help you to elaborate better communication skills. Awareness is essential. I can help you to improve it. Once achieved awareness, you can see your job matters from a different point of view and finding new and more effective strategies and solutions, both personal and inside your team. I show you how, after my communication course, you will have a better knowledge about what you want, what you're feeling, which are your motivations, what's happening in your interlocutor, how to positively interact with your co-workers and customers, even in critical situations. And we will do it with lightness, it's important this. Finding in these 3 hours the space for smiling without a stop our thinking and understanding wish.